So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I have to catch the shuttle at 6. So I have to leave from my house at 5:15 this morning to catch the shuttle to go to Atlanta. So this is the next morning after I did my Dollar Tree with a cord on the side couture hairdo. Now, I don't have time to make the full video to show you what I did, but I will make it when I come home after my appointment. But I just want to show you how it came out. Okay, I'm going to get this wrap off my hair. And I'm going to let you see. Checking the baby hairs. Look at the baby hairs, y'all. They slick. They looking good. And I'm very impressed. And my hair does not feel heavy at all. So I'm not a twister or anything. And I think I did great. And the products feel awesome on my head. Okay, let's go to the beginning. It started with a trip to Dollar Tree. Of course it did. I'm always in there. Okay. But anyway, this is how it began. Dollar Tree with a cord on the side stuff. Absolutely too far, y'all. I just bought this stuff. Some washing, some hair oil, growth oil, some scalp toner, some damn styling gel, some shampoo and conditioner, bar type. Y'all not did my head. We'll see what's going on with it tomorrow. I'm taking it too far. Somebody need to stop me. These my locks, y'all. Oh my goodness. I got the hair braid. It's very thin. They got the crochet, needle, and comb set. They got the twist out comb set. Oh yeah. They got us a section in here. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Very nice. Okay, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start with that bonus, that dandruff treatment. Now, it is a simple treatment, but it definitely works. So once a week, I clean my scalp with apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar takes care of dandruff. Dandruff is caused by dry skin or a buildup of oil. Now, I don't know how it's caused by both. They seem like they would be opposite of each other, but it does kill the fungus that causes dandruff. And I have been doing this since I had my locks, and my dandruff is at a very minimum. Now, I'm using a cotton ball to put it on. I try to do it just on my scalp. Once I finish that, normally I would go ahead and take some cool water and run it through my scalp also. After that, just to get the smell out. But we're doing a Dollar Tree hair set, and I'm going to start with this hair tonic. Okay, this hair tonic says it's made with activated charcoal. The directions are to take a dime size amount and put it on the scalp, gently massage and do not rinse. Also, do not get it in your eye because it burns like heck. Anywho, this tonic reminds me of like a tea tree oil or something, like a mentholated something like Suffer A. It has a tingle to it. I also use more than a dime size because just like cooking with spices, I kept on putting it on until the gods of the locks told me to stop. So it felt really good. It really felt cool. Once I finished that, I was ready to style it. So the Dollar Tree does sell a lot of stuff to do twists for your hair. However, since I've had my locks, I've never used anything to twist my hair other than regular foam. That's the only thing my loctician has ever used on my head. She doesn't use the beeswax, none of that. However, if that's what you use on your locks, they do have some products for twisting and locking at the Dollar Tree. Anyway, I used my foam, and the way I did my hair was I used a mister and wet my hair with mist You can use a spray bottle if you don't have a mister. And I'm saying mister, like, I don't know. That thing right there. That's what I'm saying. Y'all know I'm country. Anyway, just to get the hair moist, not wet. I don't want my hair wet because I have to go to Atlanta the next day. And I have to get up and leave at 6 o'clock in the morning. And this is about 10:30 at night. So, wet the hair. Use the foaming gel. 2-strand twists with a lot of hair. I just grabbed some hair. And I ended up putting rubber bands on the ends so that the hair did not come loose. After I finished my whole head, let me add something right here. I give all the props to you ladies and guys who do your own hair. My arms were, I was going into muscle failure twisting my freaking hair. That is why I'm rocking back and forth. My arms hurt so bad I wanted to stop, but I knew I had to go to bed because I had to leave the next morning. Anyway, after I finished that, I didn't want my hair to hang down because I intended to put some rollers in there. So what I did was take each section, bend it in half, up. Just look at what I did. I bend it in half, and then I put a rubber band to keep it like that. Once I finished that, I took the little rods and I rolled the ends that were sticking up. Of course, I had to do my baby hairs. Y'all, I cut it out of this video, but I actually did the little baby hair swoop. Yeah, that don't look good on my head. So what I did was I took my gel and I added it to this oil. And I used that on my edges to slick my edges down. Tied a wrap around my head after spraying on some of the oil sheen. And let me tell you, all of these products were pretty good except that oil sheen. That was like water. And right here you can look at the ingredients. It's water is the first ingredient, so it's mostly water. I don't know if it was any oil or anything in there. I sprayed it in my hand. My hand didn't get greasy, but nonetheless, I finished that and I went to bed, and this is the next morning. So it's a little after 4 in the morning. Yeah, I sleep well. Anyway, two rollers came out. One hit the floor when I got up to use the bathroom. Then this the other one that came apart. But that's a normal thing for these little rollers. So yeah, let me see what. Okay, before anyone gets started, yes, I could have pawned my clothes. I wasn't even really thinking. I was running late to go to the airport. So everything is covered. There are no slip ups. I guarantee you. So what I did was undo what I did. I began by undoing the rollers. I used a pair of scissors to cut the rubber bands so that I would not be pulling out hair. Once I got all of the rubber bands out, I untwisted the hair, did the Farrah Fawcett shake out, and hey, this is what it was. Yes, I am still rocking side to side. My arms are burning, but okay, look at the hair. Just look at the hair. Okay. I got the curls out, and got the twist out, and it looked good to me. It actually looked good. I'm not a twister at all. So that's like, I don't know. Years I had my locks, probably about the third time I done twist my own hair. I go to the beauty parlor. Just looking cute. Let's see what them baby hairs did. Not really baby hairs. All I did was put some gel with some oil mixed in on my edges because I wanted to lay down my gray hair. I ain't got but two of them. I'm gonna lay down. You know how gray hair be unruly. Oh, snap! Hey! I'm loving it. Had I really wet my hair, because I didn't really wet it, I did buy the shampoo. but I didn't use it because I don't wash my hair. This is just too much hair to wash. I clean my scalp and I rinse my hair if I'm doing something that's really bad between appointments. I'm very good with my appointments, so no, my hair's not smelling. Oh my God, it looks cute. So, had I missed it a little bit more, it would have been wetter. My hair is very thick, so it wasn't really that wet. I was just misting it. But let me just lay down, baby. For them locks, yes. There's a gray hair right there in case you can't see my gray hair. There's one right there, and it's right there. It's not gone. So yeah, the products get a A+ for me because it didn't take away my gray hair. But for real, there's no sticky feel to it because I only use the hair sheen on my actual hair. The tonic and everything else was used on my scalp. I cleaned my scalp. Of course, I've been doing it with apple cider vinegar for a while. Okay, I went ahead and stopped that because I really kept talking and I ended up being even later to catch the shuttle. But I made the shuttle and made it to the airport on time. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please follow, subscribe, like, thumbs up, heart, whatever it is on this platform that you do. And I really appreciate it. And I'll see you the next time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you again. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I have to catch the shuttle at 6. So I have to leave from my house at 5:15 this morning to catch the shuttle to go to Atlanta. So this is the next morning after I did my Dollar Tree with a quarter on the side couture hairdo. Now, I don't have time to make the full video to show you what I did, but I will make it when I come home after my appointment. But I just want to show you how it came out. Okay, I'm going to get this wrap off my hair. And I'm going to let you see. Checking the baby hairs. Look at the baby hairs, y'all. They slick. They looking good. And I'm very impressed. And my hair does not feel heavy at all. So I'm not a twister or anything. And I think I did great. And the products feel awesome on my head.